Thank you for being here. Ever wondered where the fuzzy brown-skinned fruit with a vibrant green interior originated from? What about its health benefits? Let's dive into this intriguing history and the benefits of the kiwi. This fruit, known for its tangy taste and vibrant green color, traces its roots back to China, where it was once referred to as the Chinese gooseberry. In the early 20th century, the Chinese gooseberry journeyed to New Zealand, where it was embraced with open arms. The New Zealanders cultivated these fruits into their fertile soil, and over time, the Chinese gooseberry grew into the kiwi we know and love today. The name change to kiwi was a marketing strategy inspired by the New Zealand's national bird, the kiwi, which is small, brown, and fuzzy, much like the fruit itself. This rebranding helped the fruit gain global popularity, turning it into a beloved food item worldwide. From its humble beginnings, kiwi now graces markets around the world. But do you know which countries lead in its production? Let's start with China. The nation, renowned for its vast agricultural prowess, is the world's leading kiwi producer. The kiwi industry here is not just about the fruit itself, but also about the employment opportunities and economic growth it offers. Next, we journey to Italy. This country, famous for its love of good food, has embraced the kiwi, making it a significant part of their agricultural sector. Here, the fertile soil and favorable climate made it an ideal location for kiwi cultivation. And of course, we can't forget New Zealand. This is the birthplace of the kiwi as we know it today. The fruit holds a special place in their culture and economy, with a significant portion of their agricultural exports being kiwi. With kiwi flourishing in these regions, it's no surprise that we have a variety of types to enjoy. Kiwi is not a one-size-fits-all fruit. There are several varieties, each with its unique taste and texture. Let's explore the three most consumed varieties: Hayward, Golden Kiwi, and Kiwi Berry. First off, meet the Hayward. This is the kiwi you're probably most familiar with. It's the largest of the lot. With a fuzzy brown exterior and vibrant green flesh, the taste is a delightful mix of sweet and tangy, making it a popular choice worldwide. Next up, we have the Golden Kiwi. A bit smaller than its green cousin, the Golden Kiwi flaunts a smooth brown skin and yellow flesh. It's sweeter with a tropical flavor profile that's hard to resist. And lastly, the Kiwi Berry, a mini version of the kiwi. This tiny fruit is about the size of a grape with smooth, edible skin and a sweet, slightly tart flavor. And these varieties aren't just for snacking, they're versatile ingredients in many dishes. Kiwi, with its sweet tart flavor, adds a refreshing twist to many recipes. This vibrant fruit is not merely a pretty face, it's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Let's explore the top 3 culinary uses of kiwi. Firstly, kiwi makes a colorful, nutritious addition to salads. Its unique flavor profile adds a zing that complements a variety of vegetables and dressings. Secondly, did you know that kiwi acts as a fantastic tenderizer? Its natural enzymes break down protein, making your dishes tender and delectable. Lastly, kiwi shines in desserts. Its sweet yet tart flavor balance works wonders in a variety of treats, from cakes to tarts. Imagine a cool kiwi sorbet on a hot summer day, the perfect blend of sweet and tart and refreshing. While it's a delight to the palate, kiwi is also a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's begin our journey by highlighting its impressive vitamin C content. A single kiwi can provide over 2 times your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. This potent antioxidant helps to protect our bodies from harmful free radicals, support immune function, and promotes healthy skin. Next up, we have kiwi's contribution to digestive health. Kiwis contain an enzyme called actinidin, which aids in the breakdown of proteins and can help soothe an upset stomach. Additionally, the fiber in kiwis can assist in maintaining regular bowel movements and overall digestive health. But the health benefits don't stop at digestion. Kiwi's high fiber and potassium content also have heart healthy effects. Studies suggest that these nutrients can help manage blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and in turn lower the risk of heart disease. The health perks of this vibrant fruit extend to our respiratory system as well. Research has shown that the high vitamin C and antioxidants in kiwis can help alleviate symptoms of asthma, especially in children. And let's not forget about eyes. Kiwi is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients vital for eye health. These compounds are believed to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Next, Kiwi's high vitamin E content makes it a great addition to your beauty regimen. This antioxidant aids in skin health, helping to protect against damage from the sun, pollution, and smoke. Moving on, kiwi can help in managing weight. Low in calories but high in fiber, kiwi can help keep you feeling full longer, which can potentially lead to weight loss. Kiwi also plays a role in boosting immunity. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, regular consumption of kiwi can help ward off illness and infection. Additionally, kiwi has been shown to aid in sleep quality. It contains serotonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep cycles. Consuming kiwis before bed may therefore help individuals struggling with sleep disorders. Lastly, kiwis are a rich source of folate, which is essential for cell growth and reproduction. This makes kiwi a beneficial addition to the diet of pregnant women or those planning to conceive. Impressive, isn't it? And the good news is you can grow this nutrient-rich fruit right in your backyard. Growing kiwi at home might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. Let's walk through the process together. First thing first, your kiwi plant will need a sunny spot. Kiwis love the sun, but they also appreciate a little shade during the hottest part of the day. So a spot that gets morning sun and afternoon shade would be perfect. Now let's talk about soil. Kiwi plants are not too picky, but they do prefer well-draining soil. If your soil is heavy clay, consider adding some organic matter to improve its structure. The soil pH should be slightly acidic, between 6 and 7. When it comes to planting, the best time is early spring. You'll want to plant kiwi vine near a sturdy trellis or fence, as it will need something to climb on. Dig a hole twice as wide and as deep as the pot your kiwi came in. Place your plant in the hole, filling it with soil so the plant sits at the same depth as it was in the pot. Water your kiwi plant well after planting and continue to water regularly, especially during dry spells. Kiwi plants also appreciate a good layer of mulch to help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. As for when to expect your first harvest, well, patience is key here. Kiwi plants are slow starters, but once they get going, they can produce fruit for up to 50 years. Generally, you can expect your first kiwis about 3 to 4 years after planting. Pruning is also an essential part of kiwi care. Prune your kiwi vine in the late winter when the plant is dormant. The reward of plucking fresh, ripe kiwi right from your backyard is well worth the effort. With patience and care, you can enjoy homegrown kiwi and reap its numerous health benefits. And there you have it. So that's our journey with kiwi, from its history to your home garden. Next time you enjoy a kiwi, remember the fascinating journey it has taken to reach your plate. I trust this exploration has deepened your admiration for this delicious fruit. If you found this intriguing, follow the link above to uncover additional videos in this series. Remember to show your support by liking the video, subscribing for more exciting adventures, and sharing your own kiwi experiences in the comment section below. Let us know if you like kiwis or have ever tried other varieties. Until next time.